That's it.
Just wait, Nana. I'll give you enough total information to write. What Krishnasri you are saying?
Teacher, you have said up to 5th step, teacher, I am saying.
Okay, right. I'll continue now. Just wait.
Teacher, you are muted, teacher.
Yeah, tell me what is the 5th step?
Lesson name, style sheet, diagram, teacher. 5th step.
That is not the 5th step, Nana. So, first of all, your name sheet.
Yes, teacher. Second
Okay.
is alphabets, teacher.
Yeah, second one, alphabets. How many types of alphabets?
4 types, teacher.
4 types of alphabets you will write. After this?
Basic words, teacher. Physics and
Basic words.
chemistry.
I gave basic words or not?
And fourth one? No, teacher. You said
No.
you will give.
Yeah, I'll give now basic words. So write down this basic words first of all.
Yes,
All
teacher.
of
Fourth
it.
step, academic standards.
Okay, I'll give first a basic words here. Write down all of you. Basic words. Now we have physical science now. In this physical science we have physics and chemistry. I'll give physics basic words and chemistry basic words. Yeah, first of all, chemistry basic words. Write down. First of all, you have to write 1 to 20 elements. Sophia Khan, I can remove you from the class. Yes, first of all, 1 to 20 elements, Nana. Next, write down the words. These are Yes, Nana. Today connections are not good here. Nana, up to where you completed that words? Tell me, Sri Dikshit.
Teacher, I raised my hand to say that your voice is cutting.
Yeah, tell me, Mudabir.
Your voice is stuck in the jump total.
My voice.
Uh,
Your network is not good, Nana, so that's why it is struggling. Okay, up to which keyword I wrote here?
Teacher, up to solvent you wrote, teacher.
Up to
Solvents are solvents.
your voice is not clear, Nana. Tell me, Srishma, up to where?
Solvents, teacher. Solvents, teacher.
Solvents. Okay, Nana. Okay. Okay, solute, solvent, solution, and concentration, dilution, and alloy. Yes, and after this, write down physics keywords. Yeah, I'll give you unmute option. Just wait. After completion of this, I'll give you unmute option. Right. So 15 keywords here. So not only just word, Nana, you have to write along with definition. With the definition, you have to write. I gave words, you have to search definition and write. Yes, Sridikshit, any doubt in this? You raised your hand here.
Teacher, can you say from compound, teacher? After
Compound.
compound.
Shall I write?
Yes, teacher, please. Okay, teacher.
Are you listening from two mobiles? That's why I'm getting noise here. Okay. Okay, I write here again from compound onwards. Chemistry. This is. Those who are missed in chemistry, write down here. So to this chemistry words and physics words, you have to write definitions also. If you write simply, which I gave now, I'll simply tear your papers. I'll not allow, you have to write definitions also none. Yes, I want to erase this one. Shall I take the screenshot simply? Yes, I'm erasing this one. Take the screenshot, all of you. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Right. I'm erasing 1. Now, after this one, you have to write academic standards. Now, lesson name in style sheet. Okay. Here, after completion of academic standards, take one fresh page. Write lesson name in that neatly. Okay. Neatly, Nana. So, style sheet is nothing but you have to do some designs to that page. Not a complete Sankranti book. Simply style sheet. And what is our chapter name? Force. So related to our chapter, draw one diagram. Already I showed which diagram you have to draw. In fourth chapter, we have one diagram, Nana, like it will give. They are given one table and two persons are pushing that one from opposite sides. So the diagram you have to draw. Not like this, very neatly. If you draw like this, I will not accept. Now, after this one, you have to write keywords in fresh page. Okay, take fresh page, Nana. So, for example, I'll show here. See here, if you are written here, write lesson name here only in the fresh page. See all of you. Dikshit. See here. When I am showing you will not see. Again you will ask. See, write lesson name here in the fresh page and don't write anything here. Don't write anything here. Again take fresh page to keywords. Okay? Keywords means which keywords? In every lesson we have keywords. After completion of the lesson they will give some keywords. So to that keywords you have to write definition also. Now after this improve your learning. Okay, try to write the answers by your own, Nana. Okay, to improve your learning questions, Try to write the answers by your own. Then only you can improve your knowledge. Okay, don't copy. So this is the procedure to write the notes here. Okay, after this you have to write one more thing. Okay, after completion of this, I'll explain next one. That you have to draw one diagram here to relate it to our chapter. I'll give you to draw some diagrams. Okay, after this improve your learning, I will tell you. And I'll also explain how to write lab activity and project work. This time I'm giving differently. Okay, not like your 7th class. In 8th class again I'm giving different content here. Different way I'll give to write. Okay, up to here clear how to write a notes. Anyone you have any doubts, you can raise your hand. I'll give you unmute option. Krishna Sri, are you here in the class? Once raise your hand, Krishna Sri, if you are here. Yeah, Krishna Sri, take the attendance and send it to me now. Okay, Srishma, tell me.
టీచర్ నోట్బుక్ ఎప్పటి నుంచి రాయాలి?
స్టార్ట్ చేయి, రాసేసేయండి. ఇచ్చాను కదా నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏమేమి రాయాలని చెప్పేసి.
ఓకే
ఏంటి కీవర్డ్స్ అండ్ లెర్నింగ్ అంతే. కీవర్డ్స్ అండ్ ఇంప్రూవ్ లెర్నింగ్ అదొకటే. మీకు ఎలా